What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today just another day of pretty much nothingness. After the gap up, we went really nowhere. Anticipation for the Nvidia conference or news event aftermarket could have been it. We definitely have FOMC on Wednesday, and I do think that that is going to be something that the market waits for. So on to tomorrow. We can see building permit data comes out 1 hour before the market opens, and that's really it. The next day, we do have the FOMC rate hike decision, which is on Wednesday. So that's one thing you do want to pay attention to. Let's go to the charts here looking at ES. I mean, pretty much here after the 30-point gap up, the market really did nothing. I mean, you could see we opened up here, and then we really did nothing until the end of the day, kind of that little bit of a sell. So as of right now, we're stuck in this range, it seems like, right? We're just continuing to balance. So I do think that more than likely, we will see more balance tomorrow and then maybe some sort of directional movement after POW on Wednesday. So, as far as tomorrow goes, 5208, 5190. I do like this 5190 to trade around. Tomorrow, if we do just want to get some more balancing action, if we lose 5208, watch 5109, and then 5238 to the upside. Just play within the range until the range is no longer. Okay, more than likely won't see any sort of break of this range until Wednesday data is done. Looking at NQ here, same thing, had a, however many point gap up it was today. I mean, we're at about 18,000 on the close Friday. We gapped up almost 300 points on the open, really still doing nothing. 18,163, 18,163. 18,163. That's gonna be the level I will watch. That'll be like the 5190 on ES. We'll be wanting to watch as well. But really, you could just see trading within this range still. So we'll see if we can get dips to hold in that area. If not, 18,000 even will be the area you'll want to watch tomorrow. On NQ, let's go to the 4 hour here on SPY. You can definitely see, right? Just more balance, more balance, more balance. So tomorrow, the levels to trade around 512, 508.50. Those two levels to the downside. You can see we could not get through that 514. Huge wicks to the upside. So 512, 508.50. You want to trade around those levels to market. It really depends where we open. We have no idea where we're going to open. So those will be the two levels to mark. If we can stay, an hour or 4 hour candle close above 415-ish, I do think 514-ish, we could see a 518 test. But if not, 512, 508.50, we're going to want to watch here on SPY. Looking at QQQ here now, couldn't get through that gap on the daily. So now we're going to want to watch 436, 436, 433. Those are two levels to the upside. If we can get through 440, right, maybe even a 1 or 4 hour close above 440, we can see a move back on up 444, 446. But as of right now, we're going to want to watch 436 and 433, how we react tomorrow if we get a test at those areas. IWM, last but definitely not least, needs to hold 200. Needs to hold 200. Don't want anything lower than 200. Can take the break of that for a high risk short opportunity, which would take us down to about 196. But I'd be looking for the bounce initially or the breakthrough 203.52. The upside, guys, today, very nice trade here on Bank of America. Still holding some runners, pretty much very small sized here, but grabbed about 20% on a month out. So great trade there if you guys are still holding on to this. Anyone that's in the Wolves of Walt Discord. Just want to look at some upside levels here. Obviously, recent high 36.50, but then 37 will be the two levels to the upside I will be watching to see if runners can. I don't know why that just did that. That was weird. Right. Those will be the area 36.50, 37 will be the areas to the upside. Don't want to see under 35, but great trade there. Nonetheless, really looking for base hits up until Wednesday after market data to see how we react on Big Daddy P, guys. Other than that, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. See you bright and early. Peace.